So mga boss, this is our break-in period sa Chevrolet Captiva 2025. So we are on our first 100 kilometers. So nag-decide kami ni wife na we'll do soft break-in. Although sinabi naman ng Chevrolet na not necessary na you do the break-in kasi nga daw you can ride the Chevrolet Captiva na normal driving. So no need to break in as per Chevrolet Alabang. But we chose na we will do the soft break-in. So ngayon we're just running up to 30 kilometers per hour and we're at our 94 kilometer mileage.